Good evening, guys, and welcome back to another video here in Pakistan, specifically the evening here in Islamabad. I'm here with the Brit, Harry.
Good evening, guys, welcome back.
And we are heading into one of the districts, specifically in F7, one of the Markhazes. If you're not familiar with what the Markhaz is, they basically have these districts all around the city in each one of like the F11, F8, F9, F10, etc, etc. Oh, hello. Nice people here honking, saying hello. And they have these markets, which is basically like the center, and we can find food, shops, all these different types of things. So we're gonna be going and finding some chow tonight. Let's do it. All right, guys, seems like we're getting into an area that has a lot of options. We've got everything from Nescafes to Cheesiest. And if you remember, we were actually in this area during the day today when we made it over to Francisco's, which was very good for lunch. And now we've got a lot of options to choose from. Bait al-Arab Mandi could be a move. All right, I think we're gonna try it. Bait al-Arab Mandi seems like a nice spot, maybe up there on the second floor. Hopefully they have seats because it does look pretty busy. Excuse me. All right. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum, my friends. We've got good stuff upstairs?
Yes.
Perfect. And you have available seating?
Yes.
Perfect. I think we'll go for 2 people then. Yeah?
Okay.
All right. What's your good name?
Sade.
Sade? Sade. And yours? Sohid Liado. Very good name.
Thank you.
Nice to meet you both.
This is Arab food?
Yes, it's Arabian food.
Arabian food. Oh, nice.
And it's delicious, yeah?
You like it?
Oh,
Yeah.
We've been in Jordan recently, so we know what we're...
From America?
America and UK.
Oh, that's amazing.
Shukriya.
Looks good to me.
You guys have shawarma here?
It's some barbecue.
Similar to
Barbecue
shawarma.
platter and there's some full lamb.
Oh, all lamb. Everything's lamb here, yeah?
And there's platters and
With chicken, yeah?
lamb
Oh.
mandi, fish mandi,
And this is traditional
Arabic.
That's right. What do you think, bro?
Yeah, I'm happy to do this.
All right. We'll take two people at one table. Perfect. Shukriya. All right, we're heading up to the second floor here, and we shall see what's up. Do the handy dandy coat zip. There we go. Salam alaikum. Salam alaikum. Oh, we take our shoes off here? Oh, it's very warm in here. Salam alaikum. You got seats on the balcony for 2? Seats on the balcony for 2?
Hey, come with me.
All right. Oh yeah. This is available? Shukriya. All right. Guys, we got quite lucky. We've got a spot right here on the balcony with good views. Inside the restaurant's a little bit warm, so we are gonna get ourselves some delicious food here. I'm thinking we're gonna need some seasonal fresh juice to start it off. Salam alaikum, yar. Oh, that's looking good.
Yeah, it's looking G-double-O.
G-double-O-D. We got him on that too, yeah. Good name?
My name is Tabunari.
What is it?
Tabunari.
Tabunari? Nice to meet you. That's a great name. Can I start out with what's your best smoothie?
Best smoothie, Day Delight.
Which one? Day Delight? Oh yeah, Day Delight strawberry bananas. That sounds very good. Yeah, I'll take 1, please. Shukriya yar. 2 more minutes for food, yeah? Sweet. Take the drinks now. We'll have the drinks now, and then after we order food. Shukriya yar. Sean?
Came here for some Arabic mandi.
Ah, yeah, the good stuff. That's what you recommend getting?
Yeah, I recommend that.
Chicken mandi, yeah?
Mandi, not the mandi.
Mandi.
Yeah, with the N.
All right, mandi with an N.
the
All
mandi.
right. Sean just decided what I'm gonna get to eat, so I'll do the chicken mandi, please.
That's good stuff. I just finished my entire plate.
Is that whole thing for 1 person?
It's for 4.
Oh, okay.
Yeah.
You want 1 chicken mandi then?
Yeah, do you want to do the for 2 people?
Yeah, just for 2 people.
Chicken mandi for 2 people?
All right, we're trusting you on this one, Sean. I'm thinking it's gonna be good though. Yeah.
You should have it. It's extremely well cooked.
Yeah, looks like you guys enjoyed yours. You polished that thing off.
Finished ours.
Looking good. You're from Islamabad?
We are from Islamabad.
It's a great city.
It is. I was from Lahore initially, here a couple of years.
I think Islamabad's my favorite city. We were in Lahore and Karachi already. Both great cities.
Are you?
Next week, in a few days. Yeah, we're going up to Hunza.
Hamza, yeah.
Yeah.
You should go to Skardu as well.
Hopefully if we have time, we'd love to, yeah.
But it's getting kind of cold, so maybe we come back next summer for Skardu.
It was nice meeting you.
Nice meeting you too. The best way to order your meal, someone already verifies that it is a delicious meal. So I'm excited for it. I love my Arabic food and it is gonna be good, especially when we started off with a nice delicious day delight. All right guys, the first round has arrived, which are the drinks. Harry's got the iced tea. As soon as they brought the drinks to the table, I was like, all right, I need an iced tea too. But I also got a smoothie. It looks a little more unhealthy than I expected, but that's what you get. Let's give it a shot though. The sprinkles make it that much more appetizing. Oh, very good. I think it's healthy, right? There's probably some sugar in there, but strawberry and banana, it's going down very smooth. Delicious. Oh, and the food has arrived. We've got some instruments over there. Oh yeah, and it is fresh and warm. We've got chicken up top and we've got a bunch of rice and some veggies mixed around. That's gonna be GOOD good. Oh, here we go guys. Guys, I think it's time to go ahead and dig in. All right, the real question is how do you, there we go. That's the key. COVID friendly. And got that one. Oh, is that a little Tabasco sauce too? Hot sauce? Oh yeah, we'll toss a little Louisiana style hot sauce on that. It's from the American Garden. All right, toss that. Oh, yep, spice it up, get things nice. Oh, what's this one called?
Tomato sauce.
Tomato sauce. Can we toss that on the rice?
Yeah.
All right, so guys, we've got the tomato sauce right here. It almost looks similar to salsa. So we'll toss that right up top. Let's give it a nice look. And let's go ahead and just get right into the rice here. Oh, very tasty. Actually, that's a good mix. The tomato sauce, Tabasco sauce, along with the Arabic style rice. Quite nice. Everything is delicious. Very tige. Yeah. Shukriya yar. All right. Absolutely delicious. We're gonna need to try the real test though. Put a little chicken on top of there. Grab the side piece right off there. And oh yeah, that chicken, you can just see it steaming right now. And we'll get a mix. We've got the tomato sauce on there. We've got the hot sauce and we've got the rice all in one. That is exactly what I needed. While it's not necessarily traditional Pakistani food, there are some similar tastes for sure. Chicken and rice style, that is definitely common in this general region of the world, Middle East / South Asia, and I am digging it. I almost think there's a little bit of garlic in there. The spice on top of the chicken is very nice, especially the skin, if you can see it there. It looks like it must have some sort of seasoning up top, and that really adds a nice flavor when you mix it with the rice. Every meal I've had in Pakistan, guys, has been absolutely delicious. Both food that's not local to Pakistan and food that's local to Pakistan. So I'm very impressed with the food scene. All right, guys. So for us to eat over here at Beit Al Arab Mandi, the tea, the smoothie, and the chicken came out to about $1,700, which is, I want to guess, $9. So, $9.55 for us to eat this delicious meal here. So, very good price. Delicious food, my friend.
Thank you.
Thank you. They're hooking it up with some delicious tea to chase this down. Thank you. Oh yeah, definitely gotta get some sugar in that chai. Actually, let's go 2 scoops today. Yeah.
2 skis.
Oh yeah, that's the good way. Yeah, good chai. Shukriya, my friend. See you next time. Thank you. All right. Shukriya.
Thank you very much.
Shukriya, my friend. Shukriya. Thank you. La Hafiz. Shukriya, La Hafiz. Really nice people here, guys. So welcoming. I'll say this in every video, and I'll say it till we get to the entire series, because it's definitely a really amazing part about Pakistan. Shukriya. Until next time, great recommendations. We had the mutton with chicken, and that was GOOD. That means good, delicious. Shukriya, my friend. Nice to meet you. Goodbye, goodbye. Oh, it looks like we gotta find dessert, because a food tour would not be complete unless we make our stomachs extra full with more sweets and more delicious stuff. Let's do it.
Big dessert. Yummy.
Yummy, yummy. Oh, and we're back. We always keep coming near the British flag. Now we gotta figure out where we can find some delicious dessert. I think it's time to ask a local. So let's see. We've got donuts here. Oh, you like Krispy Kreme, bro? Salam alaikum, yar. That could do the trick. What do we got over here? Ice cream, brownies. Salam alaikum. Oh, they've even got some puddings down there too. Oh, is that a cookie and brownie?
Lotus, salted caramel, Nutella, red velvet.
That's cookie and brownie?
Cookie dough brown.
Oh,
Double chocolate, chocolate chip, red velvet.
Oh, that looks delicious. Guys, I think we found a winner. That is gonna hit the spot. Yeah?
What's your name, good sir?
Absalad.
Haslad.
Absalad.
Absalad? That's a
A-R-S-L-A-D.
Aslam.
very good name.
Harry and Max. Nice to meet you.
I'll take
Where are you from?
United States and United Kingdom. I'll take one of those, boss.
One?
Yes, please. Guys, my sweet tooth is growing and growing and growing. And which one's your favorite dessert? And why is that one have caramel in it?
Lotus.
Oh, lotus.
Oh, Lotus. Like the biscuit.
This one paralyzed.
Oh,
Dried fruit.
oh, dried fruit in there too.
Blue dried fruit.
Very nice, very nice. Well, that looks quite good. The Oreo's just calling my name, but was he loading up the box there? What'd you get, a brownie?
Oh yeah, baby.
Geez, you know how to live, bro. And you know what I got? Doubling down. The sweeter, the better. And that's only from Hassan's Kitchenette right here next to D. Watson in F7. And this is F7 Markhaz?
Yeah.
Yeah, F7 Markhaz. It's the best Markhaz?
Yeah.
Yeah, I think so too. Islamabad is the best city in Pakistan, yeah?
Yeah.
Yeah. You're from Islamabad, yeah?
I am from Kashmir.
Kashmir. That's a very nice city. Hopefully we can go.
Where
Ooh.
Kashmir rugs are from.
Traveling
Kashmir scarves.
Mmm.
3 hours.
3 hours.
This looks delicious. And how much?
500. 250.
Shukriya. Keep the change, my friend. Oh no, you keep? Yeah. That's for you to buy your favorite. That's why I asked you. Shukriya, yar.
Thank you, sir.
Yep, thank you. All right, my friend, I really appreciate it. We're gonna be chowing down on these, and that's gonna put us to sleep, so let's do it. Thank you. La Hafiz. All right, well, bro, try them out. Good presentation in here too, guys. As you can see, oh yeah. That is gonna be great. Oh, just look at that thing, guys. The cookie dough on top, we've got a little chocolate glaze, and then we've got a brownie. The infusion of these flavors are gonna be next level. Let's try it out.
Oh, he likes.
Oh my god, they don't make them better than that. Let's put it that way. Wow. You know, I've had previously brownie and cookie before, but I've never had cookie dough on top of a cooked brownie. That is, it's almost like a frosting for it. I'm gonna need the whole batch next time. And now we've got Harry sending it now.
The brownie of dreams. Okay.
Oh, it's a thick one.
There's
there.
like 3 layers.
Fudge in there too?
Chow down on it. I'm not too sure.
You know it's good when it gets a little chuckle out of there.
Oh my god, guys. There's this, like, I'm not sure if this is common in a brownie, but there's like this layer of icing in the middle, which adds like a different texture to it, and the mixture is just, it's to die for. Honestly, guys, I think life has just been completed right now. It's the best thing that's ever happened. No, I'm joking. But that was really, really good. I'm gonna go for another one. Oh my god, it just gets better and better.
Every bite.
Oh.
Imagine tossing that thing in a microwave, having that thing just melt in a little bit, a few degrees warmer.
Oh, the best brownies, my friend, thank you.
Once again, another happy set of customers eating some delicious food here in Pakistan. Pakistan, you are continuously impressing me with the variety of food options and the quality. I've been here for 2.5 weeks now, and besides today I had a little bit of an upset stomach. I really haven't had too many issues. I haven't had that much street food, but like generally speaking, most of the restaurants we've been to, it seems like the cleanliness standards are quite good. And so that is at least good news, because you know, you never know when you're going to different countries where you're gonna get sick. Your body might not be used to various bacterias, and so knock on wood, probably something's gonna happen to me right after this. But yeah, the good thing is we've been lucky. The food just keeps getting better and better. Too many sweets though, guys. This definitely means that 2022 is gonna mean a year of more workouts, more dedication to hitting the gym so I can eat more of these. That'll be my motivation. But I do love these Markhaz. Like, you can get anything in here. We have street biryani right here. We've got other restaurants, and that makes it quite nice, because you know, if you're looking to go out for dessert and dinner separately, you can walk from place to place, especially now during the cooler months. It's a nice stroll at night. You have that evening chill relaxation. And yeah, guys, still a lot going on. I'm surprised there's like people working here at night, getting things done overnight, working on the new trenches. Always something going down here in Islamabad. See, this is just what you have here in Islamabad though, like just the designs everywhere. You have this nice piece of art as part of your centerpiece for the roundabout. It says Islamabad, it says, actually I think it says Islamabad in a bunch of languages, because you can see some Arabic letters up there, Russian letters down there. It looks like that might be Mandarin over there. We got cars coming by, so really a nice layout. Like, you're just surprised on every street corner with what you find. And we got a cross here. And we made it. Oh, and we made it. Guys, so on our way to the restaurants before the video, I actually wasn't filming because it was so dark you wouldn't be able to see anything, and you probably can barely see anything right now, but we're on more of a main road with the street lights. And Harry and I were talking, we're like, we feel so safe walking around in this area. I don't know how the rest of Islamabad is, but I've heard from most people that it's generally quite safe. But like, you don't really like, I haven't really ran into anyone that like makes us feel sketchy or anything. So that's the nice part. You can kind of just stroll around, and there's like police and security everywhere. So you kind of just like have that peace of mind. All right, guys, hope you enjoyed coming on the evening dinner stroll with Harry and I. And that's where I'm gonna go ahead and end today's video. If you want to see more videos both here in Pakistan and all around the world, make sure to hit that subscribe button below. And if you've enjoyed this one, guys, make sure to smash that like button, and I will see you guys in tomorrow's video.